Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a small tip or trick for the account assigned purchase orders. Recently, one of my users asked that Ganesh, we are creating 15-20 items of PO, the same WBS, the same cost center I'm giving again and again. Is there any option? Okay, so this is the option. First of all, we will try to find a PO with account assignment category K. We can find either K or P, whatever. Okay, so we are going to, okay, let's take it this pivot. So click on edit. So what kind of a trick I'm going to give you now? For example, go to account assignment. Okay. So account assignment and you are giving the cost center. Okay, let us take our own purchase order. Let's not others. Go to ME21N. Okay, for example, this one, GP raw material spare part PO. This is the vendor GPPO G01. But I will use cost center. Okay. Okay. The GP01 is the vendor 10 liter. Okay. So cost center GPC01. Okay. This is the one you are creating for a one item. So here what point I want to tell, go to account assignment. Here there is a button called repeat on. Okay. Repeat on. Let us check it. I will do without clicking this repeat on. What I'm going to do again, I will select K and maybe some other material. Let's search by plant material by description. GP01. With 3 quantity. GP01. Price maybe 10. Okay. Location. Okay. See here what is happening. System is asking you to please input the cost center again. But this time what I'm going to do, I will click this repeat on button. Repeat on button is there. Now I'm adding a new item. Okay. I am giving just 10 liter. So what is happening now? Item 30. See, the cost center is automatically copied. So use this repeat on button for copying for all the items which are coming. Okay, if you give to the first item, it will come automatically to the next item. So this will save the time to give the cost center a WBS element again and again for each account assignment, because you can see the layout. The business can prepare an Excel sheet. They can copy all the quantity, price mostly they will get from the info record. That's the best practice we need to teach them. Don't give the price in PO, so that only the master data team should be careful about the prices. So once they give the data, automatically the account assignment, cost center, if it is a K, if it is a WBS, if it is a P, so those will be copied. I hope that will be helpful for your users when you want to teach them. So how to get the cost center to be copied, or WBS to be copied for all the rest of the items in a PO. I hope it has given you some knowledge, and thanks for watching.